Doug's present.
Oh,
Get it, boy. That's good. Oh, yeah. Good job. Good job. No, it's okay. Just let him go. He won't eat it.
Go. He's eating it.
No, he just uses his mouth to open. Because he has an opposing jaw.
This is so cute. I love this. Look at this side.
Ooh, Poppy.
Get it.
He's got his own barbell.
Doug has a barbell.
It's a big, hard toy, so they should have some trouble destroying it.
Yeah, hopefully it won't be in the first 15 minutes.
Like that one toy last year with the fabric.
15 seconds tops.
That's a good boy who opened present.
Doug likes it.
He just wants to chew on the toy now.
Oh, wait. Stop. Let me. Ooh, yay! Doug opened again.
Yay! Doug like toy.
Yay!
Merry Christmas, Doug.
Yay, poor Doug.